this.
But we need to fish me. How's are going this way now? Don't forget to like and subscribe.
When we wake,
Are you happy?
Yes. Yes.
Side by side, our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Oh, even in the hard time, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found
Hi everybody. Today I'm at the lake and I'm excited to ride the boat. Come on. Let's do this.
future is bright.
Hello.
We got it.
Ikaw gotta hold my
We
hand.
don't need no more. Even in the hard time, you and I can weather any storm.
He's putting the boat there. Are you excited?
Don't forget to click the button below and subscribe to our channel. Bye. Bye.
See you later.
Enjoy.
Okay.
Even in the hard time, you and I can weather any storm.
Oh no. Basahan. Wait. Don't touch anything, huh?
I'll take my seat. Are going this way now.
Is it your birthday?
No. No, we're turning this way now. We're turning this way now.
Can you teach me how to ride this, Sean? How do you do that?
Okay, push it a little bit down. Push it down. Push forward. Get faster now. Don't turn so fast.
That's too fast.
Ingat ka.
It's our first time to ride this boat, and Caleb is enjoying it. It's a good weather. Caleb, say hi guys! Hi
Hi guys,
guys!
look at the camera, Caleb.
Hi guys! Look at my son driving!
Hi guys.
Hi guys! See the camera? There, oh. Say hi!
Hi! I'm riding a boat.
Be careful, my camera might fall, okay? Okay.
They're on the water.
What?
On the water.
What's that?
In the water.
Hi guys! Are you happy? Huh?
Yes, I'm riding a boat.
Say A, B, C, D.
The middle. A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. That's my 1, 2, 3.
Guys, don't forget to click the button below and subscribe to our channel. Did you have fun? What's your favorite part in this boat? What's your favorite part?
Horse and lollipop.
No, there's no lollipop here. What's your favorite part in here? Huh?
Riding a boat.
Did you drive the boat?
Yes.
Yeah? Look at the bugs. There's so many bugs. Down there.
Yes, you have to be very. Hi!
This is the thumbs up.
Hi!
This is the thumbs up again.
Hi, 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 hi.
Look at the camera. Thumb finger. Thumb wrestling. Thumb wrestling. Thumb wrestling.
Just see your finger there.
Okay, you're referring first. You're referring. I'm teaching him how to. I taught him how to play the thumb wrestling.
Oh! What did you do? High one!
You won. You beat me. Oh my! You're getting good at thumb wrestling. Okay, who won?
Ah, Caleb!
Kayla.
So 0 plus 9.
No points for mommy. 1 point for you.
Look at the engine!
What?
Yeah.
We don't? Are you sure?
Looks like we need to open this.
No, it's for cooking only, Sean. It's for grilling.
I can't move anymore. We're going slower because the engine is not feeling. It's feeling sad.
It has no feeling, it has no life. What's happening now?
The water. Ah! There's a fly. The bugs. Oh no! Oh no, the fly! No.
That's going to fly his drone, okay? Let's look.
Daddy, why are we moving so now? We need some help. You're broken.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.